Hey Pink Squad, my name is Barbie Pink Lifestyle, and if you're new stopping through, then welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button to stick around. If you're already a subscriber of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so this is my first Empties video, guys. I want to show you guys the products that I use like on a daily basis and that I fly through, I repurchase, and I need to repurchase right now because boo, it's empty, okay? It's empty. So yeah, if you like videos like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you stick around by clicking that subscribe button down below and also the notification bell next to it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first product that I have that is like so empty that I need to repurchase is this. This is the Black Radiance. This is the Black Radiance powder. It's a pressed powder and it's in the shade Rich Mahogany. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but like seriously, I need to get my life. It's so empty, and seriously, it can be purchased from Walmart for only $4, so I don't know what I'm waiting for. And yeah, so the next product that I have that is gone with the wind, so it's this NYX Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm actually missing the spoolie into it, and this is all of the product that's left. Like, it won't go any higher than that. That's it. I need to repurchase that ASAP. I think this is probably like $5 at Ulta. So yeah, that's that. The last thing that I have is super cheap and I need to repurchase it, obviously. It's this e.l.f., my all-time favorite liquid liner. It's seriously so good for you to do your wing, and it's empty, and it's only $1 at Target and Walmart. And I don't know if Ulta sells it, but definitely Walmart and Target for $1. So you can't beat that. So my foundation is also empty, guys. I'm like seriously slipping. It's the L'Oreal True Match. And this one is in the shade C78 Nut Brown Cocoa. It's so empty. Nothing's gonna... Oh. I've been trying to make stuff come out of this. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna have to steam clean my carpet now. I don't have hardwood floors. I'm having a mini heart attack. Oh my god. This has been so empty for so long, and I've been pumping it on my face and nothing comes out. But of course, when I film, something crazy has got to happen. So yeah, I can never win. But anyways, so yeah, this is empty, and that was probably one more last pump. So yeah, this is empty, and I am going to repurchase it because this, seriously guys, matches you. Like, you put this on and people will think it's your skin. They really don't notice you have makeup on when you're wearing the True Match foundation. So yeah, so that are all of the empty products that I have for my video. If you have any empty products that you want to recommend or that you need to repurchase, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below and we can chat about it. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you stick around by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Love you so much.